guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and responsive product slider in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I'll teach you that how we can create an awesome, responsive and dynamic product slider using React.js. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, how to create a responsive product slider in React.js using Owl Carousel. Okay, yes guys, in this video, in this session, we are also gonna learn that how we can integrate, how we can use the Owl Carousel slider in React.js to create this kind of dynamic, responsive and awesome product slider using React.js. Okay, so guys, below we can see this is a product slider. Okay, so guys, this is the product image. Okay, and this is the product name, product price and the product ratings. Okay, and one button called buy now. Okay, so guys, here I have just shown the 9 slides only. Guys, you are free to show as many slides as you want to show. Okay, so here I have just shown the 9 slides. Okay, so this is the 9 slide. Okay, and again it starts with the slide 1. Okay, so this is the right control and this is the left control. Okay, so everything is doing great, everything is doing fine. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have just shown the few details about the product. Okay guys, you are free to show as many details as you want to show about the product. Okay, so here this is the product image, product name, okay, product price, the product rating and one button called buy now. Okay, here also, so this is the slide 1, this is the product image, okay, or the product pic. Okay, this is the product name, product price, product rating and one button called buy now. This is slide number 2. This is the product image, product name, product rating, product price, product rating and button called buy now. Okay, so guys, whenever you will hit this button buy now, you are gonna see one alert. Okay, and in that alert we will be able to see the some details about the product. Okay, so I have just created this alert. Okay, just to give you the extra knowledge, just to give you the extra insights about the React.js. Okay, so guys, we all know that we are on a journey to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, so guys, this is the another video in the series. Okay, and in that video, in this video, we are gonna learn that how we can integrate, how we can use the Owl Carousel to create this kind of responsive, dynamic and awesome product slider using React.js with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so this is the slide number 2, this is the slide number 3. Again, this is the product image, product name, product price and the rating about the product and button called buy now. Okay, so now hit this button and we will be able to see one alert. Okay, so hit it now. So see, you can see here this is the product name. Okay, and this is the product price. Okay, so I have just shown the product name and the product price in the alert. Okay guys, you are free to show any details, to hide any details as you required. Okay, so click OK. So click this button buy now. See, we can see the product name and the product price. Okay, so this is the dynamic. Okay, so this is just a function, okay, in React. Okay, so this is the slide number 3. This is the product pick. Okay, product name, product price and the product rating, one button called buy now. So hit this control. Okay, so this is the slide number 4. Okay, this is slide number 5, this is slide number 6, this is slide number 7. Okay, and this is slide number 8 and this is slide number 9. Okay, so as of now, just to give you the demo, I have just shown the 9 slides. Okay guys, you are free to remove, you are free to add as many slides as many you want to show or remove. Okay, it's up to you, it's totally upon you. Okay, there is no any need, there is no any requirement that you have to show this much of slide only and you have to hide this much of slides. Okay, you are free. Okay, so this is the product image, product name, product price and product rating, product image, product price, product product name, product price and product rating, one button buy now. Again, this is product image, product name, product price, okay, and product rating. Okay, so guys, okay, so this is some, you know, like product okay, of some laptop, some, okay. Okay, so you are guys free to show any kind of product, laptop, okay, mobile phones, okay, like a book, pen, anything guys, anything, whatever you want to show in the slider you can show. Okay, there is no any need that you have to show only this product. Okay, so guys, okay, so guys, at the same time I'm sorry guys. Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, so guys, this is very responsive as well. Okay, so guys, let me just show you the responsiveness of this product slider as well. Okay, so let me just show it now. So go to the inspect. Okay, so go to this view. So see guys, okay, so this is the dimensions iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, and you can see here in this kind of device, in this kind of screen sizes also, it is working fully awesome, and it is fully responsive and fully dynamic also. Nothing is going to hide, nothing is going to trim. Okay, and you can see the controls are also working good. Okay, it is also doing great. Okay, so this is the right control. Okay, and this is the left control. Okay, so see, let me just change the dimension from here. So iPhone 12 Pro, see, this is also fully responsive and fully dynamic. Okay, all the things are doing great. Okay, so control is also doing great. Okay, right control is also doing great, left control is also doing great. Okay, so let me just change the dimension from here. iPhone XR, see, this is also responsive and fully functional and fully working. Okay, there is no any issue, there is no any problem at all. Okay, so just change the dimension from here. iPhone SE, see, it's also doing great. Okay, no any issues, no any problem at all. Okay, so let me just go to this device. Okay, let me just minimize this. See, it's now in this kind of screen sizes. Now we have shown the only 2 product. Okay, so it's fully functional, fully dynamic. Okay, nothing is going to hide, nothing is going to be trimmed. Okay, so see, all the controls are doing great. Okay, everything is doing fine. Okay, okay, so just close this. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create this kind of responsive, dynamic and awesome product slider in react.js by using the Owl Carousel slider. Okay, so guys, I will also explain you that how we can integrate, how we can use the Owl Carousel slider in react.js to create this kind of dynamic and awesome product slider with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, I'm sorry guys for my voice. Okay, I'm sorry for this. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this kind of dynamic and awesome product slider with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, in react.js only. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly. And definitely guys, you will grow also professionally also after watching my session, after watching my video. Okay, and guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do like this video, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, and please guys, please, okay, do like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos, okay, for you. Okay, please guys, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this channel code with ER. Okay guys, it's a humble request from a friend to a friend, it's a humble request from a brother to a brother. Guys, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way guys, and the only way you can support me, and the only way you can help me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel code with ER. Okay, please guys, please, it's a humble request, it's a request from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother. Guys, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this channel code with ER. Okay, please guys, please subscribe now. Okay, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, and thank you guys who has already subscribed to my this channel code with ER. Okay, thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot. Okay, it means a lot to me. Okay, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribe to my this channel code with ER. Please guys, it's a humble request, please subscribe now this channel code with ER. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this kind of responsive product slider in react.js by using Owl Carousel. Okay, so guys, now let me just go to the code editor now. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm gonna use here the VS Code editor. Okay, so I'm gonna create here new file. Okay, I'll give the file name as a product slider in React. Okay, .html, save the file. Okay, so now first of all, let's just create HTML structure. Okay, so HTML5. Okay, so let me just give you the page title also. So I'll give you the code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I'm recording this video after around 2 months. Okay, so I'm sorry for my voice, for my tone. Okay, sometime I will do make mistakes. Okay, instead of saying react.js, I would say javascript. Instead of javascript, I would say something else. Okay, so I'm very sorry for this because I'm recording this video after 2 months. Okay, so I'm sorry for this. Okay, and sorry for my voice as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will understand me and you will definitely forgive me, okay, for my voice. Okay, so let me just guys, so guys, now we need some CDN links also in order to work with this file. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the previous example just to copy the CDN links from there. Okay, so this is the example, so copy these CDN links from here and I'll explain you all the CDN links, don't worry. So let me just paste it here below the title tag. Okay, and let me just explain you all the CDN links. Okay, so guys, let me just tell you one thing very important. Guys, sit back, be relaxed, be calm. Okay, and watch guys something new, something unique in react.js. Okay, and definitely guys, you will learn something new, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay guys, as you all know that you guys definitely learn something new, something awesome from my each and every video. Okay, so guys, this time also I'm sure you are gonna guys, now you are gonna learn something new, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, so sit back, be calm, be relaxed, and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you all the senior links also. So I have written the comments also. So this is the Bootstrap 5 CSS CDN. Okay, So let me just explain the path. Okay, so guys, this is the folder assets. Okay, and in that folder I have got another folder called css. Okay, and in that folder I have got a file called bootstrap.min.css. Okay, and guys, this is the css file for bootstrap. Okay, this is it. Okay, and this is the font awesome css cdn. Okay, so it is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder css, and I have got a file called font awesome .min.css. Okay, so this is the css file for font awesome. Okay, we will need some icon also, so for this I have used here font awesome. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is the react and react dom cdn. Okay, so this is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder js I have got a file called react.development.js. Okay, and this is the javascript file for react. Okay, and this is again here assets, inside the folder js I have got a file called react dom.development. Okay, so this is the react dom. Okay, we all know react is all about virtual dom, some people also called it vdom. Okay, so this is the react dom.development.js file. Okay, and this is the cdn for jsx. Okay, this is the cdn for bevel. Okay, so bevel is gonna support our jsx. Okay, it is again gonna compile the jsx back into the normal javascript, then only it is gonna be understood by our web browser javascript engine. Okay, so this is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder js I have got a file called bevel.min.js. Okay, so this is gonna support our jsx. Okay, and guys, this is the cdn link for jQuery. Okay, required for the owl carousel. Okay, so we all know that owl carousel have been written in jQuery, so we have to use the jQuery as well. Okay, so this is the jQuery 3.6.0.min.js. Okay, so this is the cdn file for jQuery for we required this for our owl carousel. Okay, so and this is the cdn link for owl carousel. Okay, I have written the comment also, so it is gonna help you to understand the cdn links. Okay, so guys, this is the owl.min.css. Okay, so this is the css file for owl carousel. Okay, and this is the minified version of default. Okay, css. Okay, and this is the cdn link for owl.carousel.min.js. Okay, so this is the javascript file for owl carousel. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have the required cdn links. Okay, and now we are good to go, and we are now all set to start coding and start creating something unique, something awesome in react.js in today's videos, in today's session. Okay, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's code. Okay, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here one div first. Okay, so let me just create here one div. Okay, or I will say here the container div or the parent div. Okay, so I'll give the id also, I'll say here carousel. Okay, okay, this is it. So close this. Let me just write the comment also what react is gonna do here. Okay, so okay, so here react.js will inject the output, okay, for us. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so inside this div react is gonna inject the code, react is gonna inject the output for us, and then only we will be able to see it on the browser. Okay, so guys, this is it. Now I'm gonna create here one script element. Okay, so I'll see here script, close this. I'm gonna specify here the type also, so we all know that we have to give the type also, we have to specify the type also, because we are using here the cdn version of bevel. Okay, so that's why we have to specify, we have to mention the type also. Okay, so I'll just give the type as a text slash bevel. Okay, this is it. Okay, so open this script now. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna create here some of the some variables also. Okay, some variable also I'm gonna create here. So I'm gonna create here the first variable. So I'm gonna create here the first variable. So I'll say here const. Okay, I'll just say here the header. Okay, I'll just give here the text as a value of this variable header. Okay, so okay, this is it. I'll say here welcome to, okay, welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we have to, okay, we have to mount this our javascript also with the this, okay, this container div or with this parent div. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so first of all I'm just gonna go down little. Okay, so I'll just say here. Okay, so first of all let me just return all the things. Okay, so I'll say here return. Okay, so close this, and inside this return we have to give here one container div or one parent div. You are free to give the here you are free to use the JSX fragments as well. Okay, but I would like to use here the container div, one parent div. Okay, so I'll just give here the class also, we can say class name. Okay, because we all know that class is a reserved JavaScript keyword, so that's the reason we have to specify here class name to just give the CSS classes. Okay, so I'll just say here container. Okay, container, I'll just give you a margin top 5 or give 4, margin bottom also 4. Okay, so this is it. Open this div, and now just now we have to mount, okay, this container div with our this instance of react.js. Okay, and guys, we all know how we can do that because I have explained you many times in our previous videos also. So this time I'm not gonna explain you anything, any fundamentals of React. Okay, because I have explained it many times in my previous videos also. If you have not watched my previous videos, then please guys, I would like to recommend you that please watch my previous videos just to learn the fundamentals of React, just to learn the basics of React. Okay, so now we will just come down and I'll just create an const here. So I'll say here const, I'll say here container. Okay, I'll just say here document dot get element by id, and we have to get this id carousel, okay, from this div. Okay, so paste it here, and now again I'm going to create here another const. I'll just give here the root, okay, as a const. Okay, so I'll just say here react, okay, react dom dot create, okay, create root. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so we will pass this container variable name as a parameter to this function. Okay, so now just copy this root. Okay, and just say here render. Okay, because we have to render all the things. Okay, so now we'll just say here render, and I'm gonna use here the strict mode as well. Okay, we all know why we use the strict mode. Okay, we use the strict mode, okay, just to see if there is any potential issues which might which might arise in the development mode. Okay, in the development mode. So that's why we use the strict mode. Okay, so that we will be able to see any kind of potential issues. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the strict mode also. I'll say here strict, okay, mode like this. Okay, so close this, and now we have to inside this we have to enclose this Owl Carousel component. Okay, so I'll just create the component first. Okay, so I'll say here Owl Carousel. Okay, or we can say carousel. Okay, carousel component. Okay, component. Okay, so close this. So we will just create this component. Okay, just now. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we will just create this component. Okay, so first of all I would just like to okay, so here I'm gonna create the component now. So I'll just say here const. Okay, and this is the component name. So copy this component name from here, and just paste it here. So I would like to use here the filter function. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the filter function like this. Okay, so close this, and now we are gonna now create the slider component. Okay, so guys, now first of all let me just import something from the react.js. Okay, so I'll just say here const. Okay, const, and I'm gonna import here the use. Okay, use effect. Okay, use effect, and I would like to import the strict mode as well. Okay, because we have used here the strict mode. Okay, so we have to import it from the react library. Okay, and now and the next one I will use here the use state also. Okay, so use state also we will use here. Okay, from where? From, of course, react. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now guys, we are free to use, okay, react hooks also, like use effect and strict mode. I mean, this is not the hook. Okay, so this is the hook, use state. Okay, and the use effect. Okay, so now we are free to use, okay, these hooks, okay, in react. Okay, in our component. Okay, in our this application. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now guys, now I'm gonna copy some of the data from the previous example also, just to copy the just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so just come here. So let me just go down little. Okay, and let me just copy this data from here. Okay, it is gonna save a little bit of time. Okay, and it is nothing, I will explain you all the things, so don't worry, just be relaxed and be calm. Okay, so guys, you can see here the comment also I have given data array for carousel item. Okay, so guys, this is the array of object. Okay, so guys, this is the slides. Okay, and it is an array of object. Okay, so you can see here it is an array of object. Okay, and I have given here the this is the id first. Okay, this is the id first, this is the image path. Okay, assets. Okay, images, and lappy dot wp dot. Okay, okay, so this is the image name. Okay, let me just show you the folder where I have saved some of the images for this product. Okay, I mean for this I mean, what can I say, for this demo. Okay, I'm very sorry guys, like I already told you, because I'm recording this video after 2 months. Okay, so I'm little nervous because it's a recording time. Okay, and I'm putting my 100% just to create awesome videos, to create, error free videos. Okay, so that it will give you the great, watching experience. But I'm still sorry because I'm recording this video after 2 months. Okay, so that's why I'm making some mistakes also, like I already asked you in the in the beginning. Okay, so this is the images. Okay, this is the folder where I have saved some of the product image. Okay, so this is the lappy, this is the lappy I have used. Okay, okay, so and it is inside the folder assets, inside the folder image. Okay, and this is the image name or the product image. Okay, so I showed you the folder also, and this is the image we are gonna use. Okay, so this is it, so minimize this. Okay, so now guys, this is the content. Okay, means the product name. Okay, you can give anything. Okay, and this is the product price. Okay, and this is the product rating. Okay guys, we all know that this is a key value pair. Okay, so this is the key. Okay, and this is the value, this is the key. Okay, and this is the value. Okay, this is the content is the key. Okay, and the name of the product is the value. Okay, so this is the price is the key, and this is the value. Okay, rating is the key, and it is again a array. So we will also learn that how we can look through the nested array in react.js. Okay, so guys, I hope guys okay, so guys, this is the first element. Okay, or this is the first object. Okay, of this slides array of object. Okay, so guys, this slides is an array of object. You can see it has got id, image, content, price, and rating is again an array. Okay, so this is the array of products, okay, and this is the first object, okay, and we can see it has got the id, this is the value, image is the id, and the image path is the value, content is the key, okay, and the name of the product is the value, okay, price is the key, and the price of this product is the value, okay, rating is again an array, and this is the value, okay. So guys, likewise for all the element for all the objects, okay, so this is the id2, okay, id3, okay, id4, okay, id5, okay, id6, id7, okay, id8 and id9, okay. I have shown here the 9 slides only, so let me just copy this first last slide, and let me just create here the 10th slide, okay. So it will give you the confidence that we can add as many slides as we want to add, okay. So this is it, okay. So guys, I hope guys I have explained you. If I would like to explain, if guys I have to explain all the content, okay, then it is gonna take time, okay, and our video will be little larger, little longer, okay. So that's why I hope guys you know how we can create the object, okay, in JavaScript, any kind of modern library or the framework, or in the JavaScript itself, okay. I know I hope guys you know, okay. So let me just explain you one more time, okay. So guys, id is the key and 2 is the value, okay, image is the key and image path is the value, okay, content is the key and the name of the product is the value, okay. So price is the key and this is the value, okay. Again, rating is the key and again it is a value, and ratings is a again an array, okay. So guys, I hope guys you know how we can create the object in JavaScript or in any JavaScript modern framework or library, okay. I'm not gonna guys explain you all the elements, okay, because it will take some time, and due to that our video is gonna be longer, our video is gonna be larger, okay. So I hope I've explained you, and I hope you know what I'm doing here, because you are learning here React.js, then guys you must be knowing that how we can create the array of object, okay. So I'm gonna assume that you know, you are well versed with the object in JavaScript, okay, how we can create the object and how we can create look through the array of objects, okay. And this is the key, okay, id is the key, image is the key, content is the key, price is the key, and ratings is the key, and one is the value, this is the value of this image, okay, this is the name of the product, and this is the value of this content, okay, this is the price, okay, and this is the value of this price, okay. Again, this is the array of, okay, icons, okay, like 5 star 5 star, okay. So this is the again array, and this is the ratings is the key, okay. So using this ratings as a key, we will be able to loop through this array, okay. So this is it, okay guys. Now I have explained you all the things, okay, very clearly and very, okay, you know, like yeah, very clearly I have explained you, okay. And I don't think you need any explanation now, okay, because you are learning here React, you must be knowing that how we can create the array of object in React or in any kind of JavaScript framework or in JavaScript as well, okay. So just come down now, okay. So now this is it, okay. So guys, now we will just look through this slides array of object, okay. So just come down, okay. So now so this is our component, okay, and the component name is carousel component, okay. So below this, okay, so now we are gonna use here the use effect, okay, react hook, okay. So we will just say here use effect, okay, and I'm gonna use here the filter function like this, okay, and like this, okay. So guys, you would be asking that why we use here the use effect, okay. So guys, we use the use effect, okay, to perform the side effects, okay. We use the use effect hook also to fetch the API data from the external server, okay. And guys, we use the use effect hook also to initialize the third party library, okay, like Owl Carousel, or like okay okay, like Owl Carousel, anything guys, anything such kind of things like, okay, like any kind of owl carousel, slick slider, okay, and the swiper slider, we would be using here use effect react hook, okay, to initialize the third party library, or to initialize the third party, okay, what can I say? I mean, yeah, to initialize the third party libraries also, we use the use effect hook. Okay, guys, always remember, we only not use use effect hook, okay, to fetch the data from the external API, to dynamically update the DOM, or to, like, to perform some kind of, like, iteration, okay, some kind of interval, some kind of, set interval function. No, we use effect hook, okay, to initialize the third party libraries also, like owl carousel, okay. So for that use also, we use the use effect hook, okay. Guys, always remember, we use the use effect hook to initialize the third party libraries also, to initialize the third party, okay, sliders also, like owl carousel, like slick slider, like swiper slider also, we would be using here the use effect, okay. So this is it, okay. I hope I've explained you, and you are gonna remember this, okay, because this is very important. No one is going to, guys, teach you besides the some, basics use of use effect hook in React, okay. And guys, fetching the data from the API using the use effect hook is a basic example, okay. Updating the DOM, updating the, title of the web page using the use effect hook is a basic example, okay. Performing the some kind of, subscriptions is the use of use effect hook, is this is the also basic example. But guys, no one is going to teach you that to initialize the third party libraries also, like owl carousel, like sweep slider, like slick slider, like swiper slider, we would also be using the use effect hook in react.js, okay. So let me just write here the comment also, because I feel this is very important, okay, beside the simple use of use effect hook in React, okay. So this is, okay, this is useful, okay, this is useful for initializing, okay, initializing the, okay, initializing the third party, okay, library, okay, third party library, okay, or the plugins, okay, plugins also, okay, like all carousel slider, okay. So guys, always remember, we use the use effect hook to initialize the third party library or the plugins, okay, like here we are using the owl carousel slider, okay, to initialize it using the use effect hook, okay. Always remember, guys, okay, always remember this, okay. So guys, now we are, okay, so guys, now we are gonna use here the so I'll say here arrow function, like this is the dollar, because we all know that owl carousel is written in jQuery. So this is the dollar, and we all know why we use the dollar. We use the dollar in jQuery to select any kind of HTML, to select any kind of CSS selector, okay. So that's why we use here the dollar, because jQuery is written, I mean, all carousel is written in the jQuery, okay. So that's why we use here the dollar, okay, and we have to give here the CSS selector as well, okay. So I'm gonna say here dot, okay, dot all, okay, dot all carousel, okay. So now this is it, okay. I'll just create here the function all carousel. So I'll say here all, okay, okay, owl carousel, okay. And now like this, okay. So just come down, Okay, and now we will just give you the some options also, okay, from the Owl Carousel. Okay, so let me just open the Owl Carousel first. Okay, so I'll see here. Okay, so go to the docs, okay, and go to the options. Okay, so guys, this is the options. Okay, this is the API. Okay, items, margin, loop, okay, center, mouse drag, touch drag, okay, pull drag, free drag, okay, stage padding, merge. Okay, so I'm not gonna read all the things, it is gonna take time also. So this is the autoplay, timeout, autoplay, okay, hover, pause, okay, smart speed, fluid speed. Okay, okay, so guys, just come here and read all the API, read the documents also. Then also you will be able to learn something awesome, something new, and you will be able to create this kind of dynamic and awesome product slider in react.js using Owl Carousel. Okay, so just come to the code now. And okay, so now we are gonna give you the options. I'll say here loop. Okay, I'll just say here the loop. Okay, I'll just say here true. Okay, so give loop true. I will just say here margin. I'll give here margin. I'll give here 20. Okay, so put comma. I'll just give here the nav also. I'll give here as a, I'll give here as of now true. Okay, so put comma, and I'll just give here the dots also. As of now, I'll give here the dots also true. Okay, later on we will make it false also. If we don't need anything, we just have to put here the false. Okay, so now just give here the number of items we want to show here. Okay, so number of items I would like to show here 4. Okay, so put comma. Okay, and I'll just say here autoplay. Okay, auto. Okay, so let me just copy the option from the Owl Carousel only. Okay, so come here. So I'll just say here that autoplay hover. Okay, so guys, it says, okay, so like pause the slider whenever anyone is going to put the cursor or put the mouse here. Okay, so as of now, let just play it. Okay, so see, it is like it is now auto sliding. Okay, and it is going to slide, okay, every in every like 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, and guys, the moment you will put here the mouse or the cursor, it is gonna stop. Okay, it is not gonna slide now. Okay, so put here the cursor. See, now it has stopped. It is not going to slide. Okay, neither left nor the right. Okay, so the moment you will remove your cursor, it is gonna again slide. Okay, it is gonna again autoplay. Okay, so remove it. See, it is now auto playing. Okay, so this option says only autoplay, hover, pause. Okay, so just copy this option from here and just paste it here, and just now just give here true. Okay, so just put comma, and now I'll just say here center. Okay, center, put comma. I'll just say here as of now give false. Okay, so put comma. Let me just show you the this option also. So come to the site. Okay, so let me just go little down, and it is say here that center. Okay, so where it is center, so it's a center. Yeah, it's here. So it says center. So center item works well with the even and odd number of items. Okay, so it is gonna put here the I mean the card into the center. Okay, so just now center I'll give here the false. Okay, and I'll just give here the auto play also. I'll just say here auto play, auto play. I'll give here the true. Okay, so come here, put comma. Let me just show you this option also. So just come to this site. Okay, come here, Owl Carousel, and it will be somewhere else. Okay, so you can see here rewind also. We will use this option also, rewind, and it says go backwards when the boundary has reached. Okay, so it will go backward also when the slide is gonna be end, when the boundary is gonna be reached. Okay, so that's why we will use here the rewind also. So as of now, let me just show you the autoplay. Okay, so this is the option, guys, autoplay, okay, and it is a type of boolean. The default value is false, okay, and it says your slide will be auto playing, okay. Okay, so I'll just use this autoplay options also. So come here, and it says here autoplay true. I'm gonna use here the this, okay, options also rewind, okay, and it is a type of boolean, okay. Default value is true, okay, and it says go backward when the boundary has reached, okay. So copy this option from here and come to the code and just put here, and I'll just say here the default value is it is true, okay. So we will just use the true only. Later on we can make it false also, no issue at all, okay. So put comma, and now guys I'm gonna use here the responsive options, okay. So to use the responsive options, what we have to do here, we have to say here like this, okay, responsive, okay. So responsive, and it is gonna take here this kind of, okay, and it is a type of object also. So we have to create here the responsiveness for the screen size, okay, when the screen size is mobile kind of devices, okay. So for this we will use here the 0, okay. So for this we will use here the 0, okay. So put colon and just put here the options now, okay. So I'll say here item, I would like to show the item in the mobile device only 1, okay. So put 1 here, and I'll just say here nav, I'll give here the let nav be true only, so that we can slide the left and right the slider, okay. So put comma, and I'll just say here loop, okay. I want the loop true even in the mobile device also, okay. So put here true. So this is it, okay. So now just put comma here and copy this, okay, options from here, and just paste it here and just change this, okay, value. So now I'm gonna use here the 600, okay, for 600 kind of devices, okay. Again I want the slide number to show 2 only, okay. Let it be nav true, let the loop be true also. So again paste it, okay, and just make it, okay, for the 1000, okay, 1000, okay. Let the item be shown only 4, okay, and let be nav be true, and let loop be true only, okay. So this is it, okay. So this is it guys, okay. So guys we all know whenever we are using the use effect hook, okay. So guys we have to provide here. So guys this is the callback function, okay. Guys always remember this is known as the callback function, okay, and this is the compulsory parameter, this is the necessary parameter of this use effect hook, okay. Guys always remember this is known as the callback function, okay, and this use effect hook takes two it takes at least one necessary parameter. So this callback function is the necessary parameter, but it takes, okay, another options also, which is known as the dependency array, okay. And guys we have to provide here the dependency array, so that our slider is gonna be initialized only once when our component is gonna be mounted, okay. So guys for this we have to use here the dependency array as well, okay. So I'm gonna use here the dependency array as well, okay. So now put comma, and we have to use here the empty dependency array. Let me just write the comment here also. I'll just write the comment here also for only, okay, you, okay. So I'll say here only run the when, okay, when our component is mounted, okay, mounted, okay. So or we can say here run only once, okay, run only once, okay. So guys this is the known as the dependency array, okay. And guys this is known as the callback function, okay. Guys this is known as the callback function of this use effect hook, okay. And this is known as the dependency array. We provide here the empty dependency array because we want our component to be run only once when our component is mounted, okay. If guys we will provide here some value, okay, then our this component is going to be run again and again, okay. which will make our application, which will make our like like web app, okay, very like what can I say, useless, okay, worthless, as our user is not going to use, because it is gonna mount again and again, again and again, again and again, and it will make our application very slow and very sluggish also, and it is not gonna give here any kind of great user experience to our end user. Okay, so that's why we put here the empty dependency array, because we want our component to be mounted only once, okay, to be run only once, okay, when our component is mounted. So that's why we give here the dependency array as a empty, okay, because we want this to run only once when our component is mounted. Okay, this is it. Okay, and I've explained you very well, okay, what is this use effect and what is the callback function, and why we provide here the empty dependency array. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now just come down. Okay, so guys, now just come down, and inside this return statement, now we are gonna loop through this, okay, this like slides array of object. Okay, so this is the first element, okay, this is the second element, okay, this is the third element, okay, up to the 10th element. Okay, so now just come to this return statement, and now inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so create a div, give it a class. Okay, so guys, which class we have to give here? We have to give here this class, okay, because this is a css selector, and we have used this selector using the dollar, okay, because we all know that Owl Carousel is written in jQuery, so we have to use here the dollar also. Okay, so just give this class only here. Okay, so I would give here the another class as a all, okay, theme. Okay, so close this div now and open this div. Okay, and now just inside this div we have to use here the open and closing braces, because we all know whatever we have to show, whatever we have to write, whenever we are working with the react.js, we have to use here the open and closing curly braces. Okay, so open this and just copy this array of objects name slides from here. So just come down and just say here, okay, I'm gonna use here guys the JavaScript very famous method known as the map method, okay, to loop through, okay, to loop through this array of objects. Okay, okay, to this array of objects we will loop through using the JavaScript very famous method known as the map method. Okay, so come down, slides dot map. Okay, we will just say here I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, so it is gonna take here two, or we can say it will take at least one necessary parameter, but we will give here the second parameter also. So I'll just give here the first parameter as a slide. Okay, slide, I'll give the index also, so that we will use this index, okay, to target the respective element on which user has currently clicked, okay, through this index number only. Okay, so like this we will say here. Okay, so just say like this. Okay, so now we would just say here I'm gonna create here another div inside this div. Okay, so close this div, and I'll just give the class name also as a, I just give here the class name. Okay, so just say here item. Okay, I give the again another class, I'll say here card. Okay, so open this div. Okay, and I'm gonna give here the I can say, just we can just give here the very famous thing, I mean very important things, the key attribute also. Okay, so I'll just use here the key attribute like this. Okay, and I'll just say here this slide. Okay, this slide dot, okay, because we can see here the id is unique. Okay, so we can use the id also, and we can say here, we can see here the content is also unique, the name is also unique. So either we can use this id or we can use this content, okay, as a key, okay, value for this. Okay, so I'll just use here the id. Okay, slide dot id. Okay, so I'm guys, by this id I mean this id1, this id2, this id3. Okay, likewise for id10. Okay, so come down. Okay, so now inside this div, okay, so now inside this div I'm gonna create here h4 element. Okay, so I'll say here h4. Okay, and close this. Okay, so now we will just give here the heading also, or we can give here the just let me just go to the example first. Let me just show you. So here I'll just show the slide number also, like slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Okay, likewise, okay, for all the slides. Okay, so come to the code now, and just give me the just give the class name also here. Okay, so it will be easy to target it. Okay, so I'll just give here the class also. I'll just say here the text center. I'll just say here slide. Okay, just say here number. Okay, you can say anything, there is not anything. Okay, it's in like now we will just say here slide. Okay, this slide. Okay, so I'll just say here slide dot id to show the id. Okay, so guys, now as of now this is it. Okay, so we have to mount our component also. Okay, so this is it, guys. Okay, so as of now, guys, just for the testing purpose, okay, save your code. Okay, and just see if there is any issue, if there is any error. Okay, so just dispose this port. Okay, and hit this button, go live. Okay, so we can see here we have got some issues also. So go to the inspect. Okay, and go to the console. Okay, let me just open this view. Okay, so we can see here that return outside of the function. Okay, so you can see here we have got the error here, return outside the function. Okay, so okay, so we have to just cut this return statement from here, and just cut it now, and inside this component only we have to return it. Okay, everything. Okay, so from here only just paste it here. Okay, below here. So this is it. Okay, so now our issue is now solved. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser, and now we can see there is no any issue. So okay, so just just go to the code. Okay, so guys, I hope carousel component, yeah, it is doing great. Okay, so very quickly, so let me just okay, so now inside this div, okay, I'm gonna show the image also. Okay, so below this h4 I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so create another div. Okay, and give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a I am image container. Okay, image container. So open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here img element. Okay, so close this because this is a self-closing tag. Okay, so I'll say here src. Okay, like this we will say here this slide. Okay, this slide dot, okay, to show the image, what we have to say, copy this I am image. Okay, key. Okay, and just say here slide dot, okay, image, and I'll just give you the class name also. So class name I'll give you the like img fluid. Okay, or I'll give you the product image also. I'll give you the alt attribute also, like this. Okay, so I'll just say here alt attribute, I'll just give you the slide number. Okay, so slide dot id, okay, as the alt only. Okay, so just now, okay, so now just save your code and go to the browser and see. So let me just go to the inspect. Let me just see what is the issue. So just go to the console. Okay, so there is no issue. Let me just check what is the issue now, why our slider is not working, why it is not shown here. Okay, so let me just check the component. Okay, so id is the carousel. React DOM. Okay, React DOM, dot create root, okay, container root dot render, okay, strict mode. Okay, so as of now let me just remove the strict mode. Okay, so it might be the issue with the strict mode only. So okay, use effect and use state, no. So go to the console. So guys, give me 1 seconds. Okay, so use effect, yeah, that's working. So instead of guys, okay, instead of, okay, this parenthesis, I was able, like I was using here the open and closing, like curly braces. Okay, so we have to put here the open and closing parenthesis. Okay, so this is the issue. So now our issue is resolved. Okay, and you can see here we are now able to see the slider also. You can see this is the slide, okay, number, and this is the product image. Okay, so just come now to the code. Okay, and let me just write here the text also. So I'll say here slide. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is the product image I have shown here, and now I'll just show the, okay, product name, product price, and the product rating also, and one button also. Okay, so like this we have to make our this slider as well. Okay, so come now to the code. Okay, and okay, so now below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'm gonna create here another div. So just close this div very quickly, and now just give the class also. So I'll just say here, I'll just give you the padding 3. Okay, which means p3, which means padding 3. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here another div here. So create a div, give it, close this, and just give the class name also. I'll just say here class name equal to I'll just say here title, okay, container. Okay, so open this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna show the title. Okay, so just create here h4 element. Okay, and close this, and give the class also as a title. Okay, this is it. So open and closing braces. So just copy this slide, okay, from here, and we have to show here the like I mean the name of the product. Okay, so guys, you can see here content. Okay, this content, okay, this content contains the name of the product. Okay, so copy this like key content from here, and just paste it here. Okay, so now just save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see here the product image, I mean the product image, and this is the product name. Okay, and this is the product slide. Okay, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, and just come now slide 5, slide 6, slide 7, slide 8. Okay, and you can see slide 9 and slide 10, and again it is start with the slide 1. Okay, and see guys, this is the control. Okay, this is the left control, this is the right control, and this is the dots. Okay, this is the dots. Okay, you can see this dots is also doing great, it is also working fine. Okay, because we have given here the dot here true. Okay, so now if we want to hide it, we have to give here the false. Okay, so just save your code. You can see now the dot is gone. Okay, if we want we can hide this control also, but we need this control. Okay, so that we can move left or right. Okay, so we need this control. Okay, so we will keep it as it is. Okay, so just come to the code now. Okay, and now we have to show here all the details also, like product, okay, price and the product rating and one button also. So come here, and now just come down, and now below this, okay, below this, okay, div. Okay, I'm gonna create here another h4 element. Okay, so create here another h4 element. Okay, h4, and just close this. I'll just give the class name also. So I'll just say here, just give here price. Okay, so later on we can target it inside our css. Okay, so I'll just say here this slide. Okay, this slide dot, we will just use here the this key price. Okay, this key price. Okay, this key price. Okay, to show the price of the respective products. Okay, to show the price of the respective product, we have to use this price key. Okay, so copy this from here and just say here slide dot price to show the price. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser. You can see here guys, now the price is also shown. See, this is the product price, this is the product price. Okay, so you can see price is also now shown here also, and it is also shown here also. This is the price. Okay, so you can see price is now shown. Okay, okay, this is the price, this is the price, this is the price, this is the price. Okay, so price is now also shown. Okay, see, so now just come to the code again, and now below this, okay, below this, okay, h4 element, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, inside only I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so close this div, and now just give here the class also. I'll just give you the class also. I'll say here ratings. Okay, so I'll say here ratings. Okay, and I'll just give here the margin bottom also 3. Okay, so open this div. Okay, and inside this div we have to loop through this ratings array. Okay, to show the ratings of the respective product. Okay, so we will just look through this ratings array to show the ratings of the respective products. Okay, okay, so now just come down, and inside this div I'm gonna say here open and closing braces like this. Okay, and now just copy this, okay, slide. Okay, this slide from here, and just paste it here. I'll say here dot. Okay, I'll say here dot. Okay, this ratings. Okay, this ratings. Okay, this ratings key. Okay, this ratings key. Okay, to show the ratings of the respective products. Okay, I hope guys you are getting me what I'm trying to say you. Okay, so just copy this ratings key from here, and just say here slide dot key dot. I'll just use here the again map method. Okay, to look through this ratings array. Okay, so map. Okay, like this. Okay, so like this I'll say here rating. Okay, rating class. Okay, put comma here. I would just give here the index also. Okay, so guys you can see here this is the class. Okay, so guys you can see here this far star. Okay, far star o. Okay, so guys this is the class. Okay, inside our you can see here inside our font awesome.min.css. So that's why we have used here this css font awesome.min.css. Okay, and these all are class. Okay, these all icons are class. Okay, okay, these all icons are class. Okay, I hope you know what is a font awesome and how we can use the icons from the font awesome library. Okay, so just come down. I'm sorry for my guys voice. Okay, so just say here like this. Okay, so open this. Okay, so now like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here the I element. Okay, so close this I first very quickly. This is it. Okay, so I'll just give here the key attribute also, because we are looping through something, so we have to provide here the key attribute as well. Okay, okay, so this is the only way React is gonna keep track of the changes. React is gonna keep track of the any modifications which might have happen, which might arise in the future inside this list. Okay, okay, inside this list. Okay, so that's why we give here the key attribute. Okay, so just say here I'm gonna give here the key as an index. Okay, this index only, So copy this. Okay, so now just give here the key as an index. Okay, so now we will just give here the class name also. So I'll just give you the class name also like this. Dynamically I will use here the class name. Okay, using the backtick. Okay, using the backtick I'm gonna dynamically give the class name. Okay, so use backtick like this. Okay, so now we will just give here far. Okay, and I'll just make the icon two times bigger. Okay, so we will say here far 2x. Okay, and I'll just give here mx. Okay, for margin top, left, right, and bottom. Okay, so mx1 I'll give here. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so now I'll just use here the template literal string. Okay, okay, or we can say here template. Okay, literals. Okay, to dynamically specify the classes. Okay, so just copy this ratings class from here and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and just go to the browser and see if this works. See, boom guys, you can see here we can see the ratings now. Okay, so see guys, also we can see the ratings also on each and every product card. Okay, so you can see, we can see guys the respective ratings of the respective products. Okay, so our rating is also shown here. Okay, so it's doing great, it's doing fine. Okay, so just come down and just come to the code now. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now again I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so close this div very quickly. So let me just check this div. Okay, so yes, here only. So I'll just give here the class name also. So I'll say here class name equal to, I'll just say here margin top 3 and margin bottom also 3. Okay, open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here the button element. Okay, so I'll just say here button element. I'll create here button, close this button very quickly, and now just give here the text also, buy now. Okay, not here, cut it out from here and paste it here, buy now. I'll just give the class name also. I'm sorry guys. Okay, so class name I'll just give you the predefined bootstrap classes. Okay, so I'll just say here btn. Okay, btn, I'll say here btn, I'll just say here btn warning. Okay, btn warning. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now just save your code and go to the browser, and now we can see here guys the button is now here also like this. So this is the example. Okay, and this is the example guys. Okay, and this is what we have made right now. Okay, so this is the product image, product name, product price, product rating, and the button buy now. This is the product image, product name, product price, product rating, and the button buy now. This is the product image. Okay, product name, product price, product ratings, and the button buy now. Okay, for each and every product card we have shown the all the details. Okay, so see, this is also working. Okay, controls are also working fine. Okay, it is going right, going left. Okay, okay, so see, it's doing great. Okay, so now we have to write our css. Okay, to look exactly like this. Okay, so see, this looks really great and really professional also, and it is eye pleasing also at the same time. Okay, so we have to write our css also, our custom css also. So now just come to the code now, and we would write our css. Okay, we will write our now custom css also. Okay, so later on so now I'm gonna create here one function also on click. Okay, on click. Okay, so on click we will just create here one method also, and actually it is gonna take here some like parameters also. So I'll just say here alert. Okay, alert name. Okay, so I would just give here the slide. Okay, the entire object slide. Okay, entire object I will pass it here to this method name slide alert name. Okay, and I'll give the index also. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so later on we will define this alert name method. Okay, why not define it right now? Okay, later on we might forget it. Okay, so come here. So below this I'm gonna create here one const. Okay, so paste it here, and I would like to create it as a fat array function. Okay, so close this, and we would just alert the name. Okay, so we will just alert the name. Okay, so now we can just say here alert. Okay, alert. Okay, we would just alert here like this. Okay, so I'll just say here okay, like name. Okay, like this. Okay, so concatenate, give put plus. Okay, so guys, we all know if we want to concatenate something in the JavaScript, we use here the plus, okay, sign to concatenate something. Okay, so we would just say here plus, and I'll just say here this. Okay, slide. Okay, this slide dot just give here the content. Okay, so content to show the name. Okay, so put plus again here like this, put comma. Okay, so again put plus here. Okay, and again I'll just say here the price. Okay, price. Okay, so uh, give price. Okay, give space, put plus. Okay, and now again we will just say here like this. Okay, equal to uh, arrow. Okay, so just give space, again put plus for the concatenation, and we will just say here slide. Okay, slide dot, I'll just show here the price. Okay, so price, we have to copy this price key from here. I'm sorry guys, and just close this, and now just save your code, go to the browser, and now hit this button, buy now. See, boom guys, you can see here name is Lenovo, IdeaPad. Okay, HD thin and light laptop, price is this. Okay, so let me just give here some space in the price like this. Okay, so now just click OK and refresh. See, boom guys, now we can see here the price also, and the name of the respective product on which user has currently clicked. Okay, so buy now, see, it's doing great. Buy now, it's doing great. Okay, buy now, it is gonna show the product name and the product price. Okay, so guys, now everything is doing great. So now we have to write our custom CSS as well. Okay, to make it look like exactly our this example. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, because constantly I'm speaking, so this is why. Okay, so I'm sorry. So come to the code now, and guys, now we will start writing our custom CSS. Okay, so now we would just copy this item class from here and just come to the header part. Okay, and inside the header I'm gonna create here the custom style sheet style. So close this, this is it. Okay, put point, paste it, item. Okay, and just see here position as a relative. Okay, this is it. Okay, so copy this class img container. So copy this class img container from here, and just come to the CSS part. Okay, so now put point, paste it. Okay, and now we will just say here width as a 100%. Okay, and give the just give the height also. Okay, height I would give here the 290 px. Okay, I would just give here the overflow. I'll give here the hidden. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to target the img. So I'll say here img. Okay, and I would just say here display as a flex. Okay, I would just say here margin. Okay, margin I would say here 0, and auto I'll give here the height also. Okay, of 40 vh. Okay, and I will give here the object fit also as a cover. Okay, I will give here the width also. So width I'll give here the 100%, and I'll give here the uh, height also. Okay, height also I'll give here the 100%. Okay, later on we can change it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and now just copy this class, okay, title. Just copy this class title, okay, so copy it and go to the css, put point, paste it, okay, and now just say here that font size, I'll give here the I'll give you a font size 18 px, okay. I'll give here the display, I'm sorry, display, I'll give you the uh, web kit, okay, web kit box, okay. So I'll just say here web kit, okay, web kit box orientation, okay. So web kit box orient, okay, webkit box orient, okay. So I'll give you the vertical, okay, because we have to clamp, okay guys, we have to clamp here. You can see here, you can see here three dots, okay. You can see here three dots, okay. You can see here uh, three dots here, you can see, okay. You can see here the three dots also, okay. So that's why we have to bring this name in the two line, okay. We have to bring this name in the two line, so that's why we have to clamp the line also. You can see here it is in the three line, it is again in the two line, okay. So it is again in the three line, it is again in the two line, okay. Okay, so for this it is again in the three line, okay. So for this I would just use here the trim method to bring it into the two line only, okay. And later on we will just append the three dots, okay. Three dots we will append like, okay, like this. We can see here three dots, okay. Let me just show you. You can see where it is. No, it's not here now. Yeah, it's in example. You can see here three dots, okay. Okay, so you can see here three dots, okay. So this is what we are going to do here now, okay. So just say here webkit box orient vertical, okay. And I'll just say here webkit line clamp, okay. Line clamp, okay. I would just say here 2, okay, because we have to put here 2, okay. And I'll just say here line clamp, okay, line clamp 2, okay. I'll just say here overflow hidden, okay. I'll just give here the text overflow, I'll give here the ellipsis, okay. To put here three dots we have to give here the ellipsis, okay. This is it, okay. And I'll just say here max height also, I would give here max height also of 4.5 em, okay. So this is it. I'll give you the line height also of 25 px, okay. So this is it, okay. Save your code and go to the browser, and you can see here now every name is in the two line, okay. You can see now every card looks even, okay. So now every card looks of even height, okay, because we have trimmed, okay, this name in two line only. So now we can see here three dots, okay. And now we can see here every product name is now only in two line, okay. And rest we have put here three dots, okay. Three dots here also, okay. And every product name is now in two line, okay. So see, every product name is now in two line, okay. And every product card now looks even heighted, okay. Okay, so just come to the code now, and now just copy this class, okay. Give here the another class thumbnail, okay. Thumbnail, okay. So just copy this class thumbnail, and I'm sorry guys, okay, I'm very sorry. So just give here the uh, width, okay. Width I'll give here the 200 px, okay. This is it, okay. So this is it, okay. And now just copy this, okay. Fa star, okay. Fa star, because I told you this is a class, okay. So just paste here, and just put point, I'll see here o, okay. And just paste it here. So just give here the, you can see here as of now the star, okay, is black, okay. So we will just put here this, okay. So the full star is yellow, and the half star or the empty star is of red. Okay, you can see this is the full star and it is a color of yellow, and you can see here empty star is of color of red. Okay, so you can see this is full star of yellow color, okay, and the empty star is of red color. So we would just do it here also. So just see here that color, okay, color I will give here the red, okay, or we can see here the gold. Okay, for the full star we would just give here the gold. Okay, and for the empty star, for the, okay, for the blank or the empty star, we would give here the color as a red. Okay, this is it. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and you can see here guys, now this is the full star and it is of color yellow or the gold. Okay, and this is the empty star and it is of color red. Okay, this is the yellow or the gold color of the full star, and the empty star is of color red. Okay, the full star is of color gold. Okay, and the empty star is color of red. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now, okay, see everywhere on each and every product card, okay, it's looking good now, it's looking awesome and eye pleasing at the same time. Okay, so just come to the code now, and now guys, we would now gonna style our this control. Okay, this left control, okay, and this right control, we are gonna now target, we are gonna now style it. Okay, so come to the code now, and now we would just say here button, okay, button, okay, button dot all, okay, all previous. Okay, previous means prev. Okay, so means prev. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we would just give you the background color of black. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'll give you the height also of 30 px. I'll give you the width also of 30 px. Okay, I'll give you the padding also of just give you the 10 px. Okay, I'll give you the text align also, center I'll give you the display as a flex. Okay, I'll give here the justify content as a center only. I'll give here the align items also as a center. I'll give here the align content also as a center. I'll give here the position as a absolute. Okay, so I'll give here the float. Okay, float, I'll give you a float left. Okay, float left. Okay, I'll give you the left also of 0 px. Okay, okay, so I'll give you the top also of 45%. Okay, to bring it into the center of the slider. Okay, and I'll just give here the border also. Border I'll say here give here 0 px. I'll give you the important. Okay, important, this is it. Okay, save your code and go to the browser and see the, you can see here now our left slider is here now. Okay, you can see here our left slider is here. Okay, so we have to give here the important class. Okay, so we have to put here the important also, put important, save your code, and now we can see here its color is black now. Okay, the background color is now black. Okay, so put here the color also. I'll give you the white. Okay, so color I'll give you the white. Okay, color I'll give you the white. Okay, put here important also. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser, and now we can see here the color is white and background color is black. Okay, and now it is inside the center of the slider. Okay, so now likewise also this for right slide control, we would just write our css also. So just come to the code now, and now I'll just say here button. Okay, and I'm gonna target the span element. Okay, button span element, I'm gonna target it. I'll say here text align center. Okay, I'll just give you the color as a white. Okay, I'll just give you the display as a flex. I'll give you justify content, justify content center. I'll give you the align items. Okay, center, and I'll just give here the align content also as a center. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna target the right element. Okay, so just copy guys this. Okay, just copy this. Okay, button dot all dot priv. Okay, and just paste it here, and we will just say here the next. Okay, next. Okay, and just that this is it. Okay, so we will just give here the right. Okay, so give here the right only. So now right. Okay, and this is it. Okay, save your code and go to the browser, and now see, boom guys, we can see here our control is now here, and it is also doing great, it is also doing fine and fantastic. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just come to the code now, and I want to display some variables also, so which I have created already. So okay, so now so now I'll just say here const. Okay, where it is. Okay, so I'll just say here const, I'll say here header. Okay, so I'll just give equal to single or double quotes. Okay, so I'll say here welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, this is it. So copy this header variable from here, and now okay, and now below this div. Okay, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so just to close this div, and I'll just give you the class name also. So I'll just say here margin top 3 and margin bottom also 3, and I'll just give you the text center. Okay, and just here I'm going to create here h1 element. Okay, so h1, close this h1 and open and closing braces like this, and we have to copy this header variable name from here and paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see here welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and now we have to show this text also. So copy this text from here and just come down, and I'm going to create here another variable. Okay, I'll say here const. Okay, const, I'll say here subtitle. Okay, subtitle equal to single or double quotes, is up to you, put semicolon. Okay, so now just copy this subtitle from here and just paste it here, copy this from here, put below this, cut this subtitle and just replace with this header. Okay, and this is it. Okay, I'll give you the margin top 4 and margin bottom also 4. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and we can see here. So let me just make this a little smaller because this is a subtitle, so ideally it should be inside the h2 element. Okay, so this is it, h2. Save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see guys. Okay, welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, how to create a responsive product slider in react.js using Owl Carousel. Okay, so guys, now we can see here our this example, our this slider looks exactly like this. Okay, so guys, this is the demo. Okay, and this is what we have made. Okay, and it is doing great, it is doing fine and fantastic. Okay, okay, the left control is also doing great, it's also doing fine. Okay, right control is also doing great. Okay, and we have shown all the things. Okay, of this product card. Okay, this is the slide number 4, this is the product image. Okay, product name, product price, product rating, and the button buy now. Okay, slide number 3, I'm sorry, product image, product name, product price, product rating, and the button buy now. Slide number 5, product image, product name, product price, product rating, and button buy now. Slide number 6, product image. Okay, product name, product price, product rating, and the button buy now. Okay, so up to the slide number 10. Okay, so we have shown here the 10 slide. Okay guys, you are free to add as many slides as you want to add. Okay, there is no any need, there is no any necessity that we have to show only 10 slides, we have to show only 12 slide. No, you are free to show as many slides as you want to show. Okay, it's up to you only, it's up to us only. Okay, so now let me just show you the responsiveness also of this slider. So just go to this mode and you can see guys, now this is now fully responsive. See, dimension is iPhone SE, change the dimension iPhone XR. See, fully functional and fully dynamic and fully working. There is no any issue, there is no any problem. Okay, iPhone 12 Pro. See, this is very small screen size. Okay, still it is doing great, it is still it is working fine and fantastic, fully functional. Okay, no issue. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, see, still working, still dynamic and full functional and full working. Okay, no issue at all. Okay, okay, so this is it, close this. So guys, now I hope guys, okay, I've explained you that how we can create an awesome dynamic and responsive product slider using react.js by using the Owl Carousel. Okay, and guys, in this video I've explained you also that how we can integrate the Owl Carousel in react.js to create this kind of responsive and dynamic product slider in react.js. Okay, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and guys, I hope guys I've explained you all the things, all the steps, okay, what I did here. And guys, you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, and you are happy that you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, I hope so that you have learned something from this video, from this session. And we feel guys, I feel that we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session. Guys, if you feel you have learned something, guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, okay, then please guys, please, okay, do subscribe to my this channel code with and please press the bell icon also. And please guys, like on my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also, and on service now as well. Okay, okay, so okay, so I hope you learned something. And now I hope you are gonna integrate this carousel in your React project, in your React application, to create something awesome, to create something dynamic. Okay guys, do let me know that what you have created after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, and guys, guys, if you have any suggestions, any query for my video, for my session, okay guys, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it, and I'll definitely try to implement it in our session, in my video. Okay, and guys, if you feel guys my audio guys, if you feel my voice is too low, the audio of this video is too low, then please guys, please do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to the voice, okay, of this video. Okay guys, do use the headphone, okay, to listen to the audio, to listen to the voice of this video. Okay, if you feel my voice is too low, if you feel my audio is too low. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.